All right, welcome students to this new tutorial because hopefully it'll actually upload as a video instead of a short so that you guys can watch it. So let's get started. Number one thing, you should have your strap around your neck. You should have it on correctly on here. If you need some help understanding how to do that, we just take it off. We put this piece on this end and then we stick it together like this, okay? So that way it'll work. And hopefully nobody's gonna text me during this time or email me. So, okay, so now we have this. Now we have a couple positions that we're gonna talk about. The first position is position 0, which means that we just have our thumb on this back hole here. That's position 0. Okay, position 1, we have one finger. Remember, we're using our left hand, okay? Left hand. Some of my students need to know it's the other left. And then we're going to go down. So we have hole 1, 2, 3, and then position 4. For Ode to Joy, we are going to be using position 4 to start, okay? And then we are gonna go from there. So hopefully this video is already long enough that it's not going to make it into a short. Prayers. So let me get my metronome pulled up. And I'm going to set it to, I think I set mine to about 40 BPMs to start. Let's see. One, two, here we go.
Mrs. Pilkington, would you please come to the office?